All right, welcome back to the Ultimate Trader Workshop. In this video, we're going to be bringing you something new, and that is the 3-bar continuation. That is the running mate or counterpart to the 3-bar reversal pattern. So 3-bar continuation pattern, let's jump into it, break it down so you can add this to your toolbox. So many of you might be aware that we are already trading, we are already live in a 3-bar reversal pattern on the weekly chart for pound Audi. Okay, and that's kind of what you see me just writing out for us again. We're actually in this trade live. So 3-bar reversal kind of brought us to where we're going, what we're going to talk about. Bullish engulfing candle followed by Doji, followed by trigger and entry closing beyond the Doji. Okay, so that's the 3-bar reversal part of it, the 3BR part of it. Once that was done and we entered, price starts moving, we get a second set of confirmation in the form of 3-bar continuation, okay, 3BC. So let's break that down because they're very similar, okay? So in the 3BC setup, let me clean up for a second. The 3BC setup is pretty much the same thing. You're just not turning, you're just not reversing. It's not a reversal, it's a continuation pattern. So engulfing candle, in this case bearish, followed by Doji, okay, upper and lower shadow, small body, followed by trigger and entry candle, okay? So those are the 3 candles that make up your 3BC, your 3-bar continuation, okay? So at confirmation and close, the choice is yours. You can either enter and go and set up your stops and targets if you want, or you can wait for a pullback or however you want to handle it. After that, it's on you, but you are confirmed to go. Now, I do understand and I do see that there is a slight correction here, but basically this is just another phase of accumulation here. This is not a problem here. We're actually crushing it from the entry on the first 3-bar reversal. Now we have confirmation and an added on position, not pulling positions back like we used to or were taught to, but added on because that's a whole nother pattern. So it deserves its own trade with its own targets. Okay, hopefully you got all that. So not really worried about this this little set of another set of kind of like consolidation. If I were to come in close, you would see a little bit of consolidation, but more of accumulation in that phase. Okay, so now that you understand it, the candlestick anatomy of it, engulfing candle, Doji, trigger and entry, closing beyond the Doji, let's talk about the targets. Okay, targets are going to be the same thing, okay? Looking at the entire move, okay? Swing high to swing low on the Fibonacci extension. So grabbing the Fibonacci extension and measuring from swing high to swing low, okay, where the pattern completed at, and looking for the full max on the extension, okay, which is going to be the 1618, the 1618, okay? And just like, okay, so we have the target, just like the 3-bar reversal where our stop is always above our Doji or the height of the pattern, it's the same thing in the 3-bar continuation. Your stop is going to be at the top of the Doji, same way. So I'm going to grab the long short tool and I am going to say we entered when the candle closed right here, and we're targeting the 1618, okay, full max. And our stop is going right on top of the Doji, the same way that we would treat a 3-bar continuation, okay? This right here, it's at 1.4 to 1, better than 1.25. That's pretty good. That's only the conservative way for targets, okay? The aggressive way, we can take this a step further. We're on a weekly chart. Jump one time frame back. I'm going to the monthly chart. And this is going to have us targeting the same way that I'm targeting this, okay? And that's the correction off the entire move, swing low to swing high. So grabbing the Fibonacci retracement tool, measuring from swing low to swing high, okay? And then you can get a little bit more aggressive if you want and try to go for 786. That's at the trader's discretion. But you kind of really want to just look at 618 for the target, 618 retracement of the whole entire move. And let's look at that one. So entering at the same place, okay, with our stop in the same place right here, okay. And now watch how this changes if you get aggressive. Now you're dealing with 7 to 1 risk versus reward. So this is how the real money is made in the market, by hitting on trades like this and compounding and stacking as you go and not pulling money off the table and buying in more. Pyramiding is what they call it. Unfortunately, we were taught every point that you get to, put some money in your pocket because the market's going to take the money back from me. That's not how it goes. Stack up, stack up. But as many times as a new pattern is presented to you, it's its own trade. Doesn't that make sense? If a new trade appears, take it and then set your stops and targets around it. And you let those positions work out. And if they work out in your favor, you get to the finish line with 3, 4, 5 positions instead of that one little tiny fraction that you left on the table to try to get to your target. Okay? So we broke down the candlestick architecture. We broke down the stops and targets, aggressive entry. What did we miss? I don't think we're missing anything. I think we pretty much covered it all. So I should have asked you guys to hit the like button before we even got started on 3BC. But hit the like button so that the algorithm can send this out. I'm pretty sure the entire world needs to see that, because they're thinking that the only way to get involved in trend continuation is to wait for a pullback. And I just showed you that that's a lie. Okay, so share the video if you know someone that this could help. Subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Last but not least, head on over to the Harmonic Trading Academy playlist or any of the other playlists, maybe that and the Ultimate Trader Workshop or Turning Point, where we teach all of these things in great detail. Doesn't matter what it is pertaining to structure analysis, end to end, including everything pertaining to advanced pattern recognition and harmonic patterns. So that will do it for this one. Hopefully this one is helpful. So now you got the 3-bar reversal and you got his counterpart 3-bar continuation. You're kidding me. All right. You guys stay tuned. You guys take care of yourself. Be safe in the market, and we'll see you on the next video.